Hello guys and welcome to the moon. My name is Carl and I'm going to bring you this cryptocurrency video. I'm going to reveal to you right now what NFT I just bought for almost $200,000. And yesterday some of you already realized or figured out it's a Bored Ape. And look at this, I'm going to put it right here on the screen. You can see this is the Bored Ape that I paid a couple of $100,000 for. And I will leave the link down below to the actual like ape so you can see everything. But everyone will be wondering why I spent another 200,000, because everyone also knows already that over on Twitter I changed my profile picture to a CryptoPunk that I paid $1 million for, and it's so funny because that story really went viral. And yeah, now I got this one as well, and I am really excited about this Bored Ape because I think it looks cool. But still, my favorite favorite NFT that I own is definitely my CryptoPunk. I think it's absolutely amazing. One question to you guys: do you think I should change my YouTube thumbnail also to my CryptoPunk so I can match my Twitter? That would be pretty cool, right? Yeah, it was just a quick video I wanted to make to give you that update, because I know that you guys want to know where I'm spending my money. And yeah, like, obviously, I'm not saying that this Bored Ape is going to be worth millions in the future, but it could also be worth zero. Who knows, guys? NFTs are definitely a lot of fun. It's definitely speculative, but as we've seen, there's a lot of demand for them because they are scarce in a way. I mean, it also depends on how you see it. Like, there are new collections coming out all the time, so when you're looking for a new collection, you have to make sure that it's a very high quality collection. I mean, anyone with a computer can create an NFT collection, so you have to make sure that you find a collection where either maybe the artist is a famous artist, because that gives it some value, where the team behind the collection actually put in some work, made some amazing images, and also that they are of course limited. If they are not limited in numbers, then of course they will not hold any value. So there are a few points that are of course very important. And I want to ask you guys, what is the next NFT that you think I should buy? I'm gonna leave 6 alternatives down below in the description. 6 different NFT collections over on Twitter, and you guys will decide which one. So basically, go down into the description. There you will find 6 different links to different Twitter profiles of different NFT collections, and you will decide which one I'm gonna buy next. Next purchase, I think my budget will be like maybe another 200,000-300,000. I don't think I'm gonna spend another $1 million on one single NFT. If I spend $1 million on something, I'd rather next time buy maybe a car or something that I can use. But I really think that my CryptoPunk was a good purchase because, first of all, it holds its value still. I mean, right now I am very certain I could easily sell it for 1.5 million if I just put it out for sale. And who knows, in 5 years maybe it's worth 20 million, maybe 30 million. I mean, honestly, who knows? The CryptoPunks, I'm sure, are always going to hold its value. There's like no way it's ever going to zero. CryptoPunks are kind of the Bitcoin of the NFTs. It was the first, the first mover's advantage, and you can never really replicate something like that. So CryptoPunks, I think, is like a safe bet when it comes to NFTs. Of course, do your own research, and NFTs can go up and down 50%, just like any altcoin or Bitcoin even out there. Long term, you may know that it's going to go up, but in the short term, there is always price volatility, and we have to be aware of that. And but for anyone who's been in crypto for the past like 4 or 5 years, you're already used to price volatility. So if I buy something and it goes down 50% in the next 3 weeks, it's just part of the journey. Like, I don't care. It happens. Ethereum went down 60% just a few weeks ago from the top to the bottom. Did I care? No. Did I sell an Ethereum? No. I know it's just part of the journey. And that's, after a few years in crypto, you develop diamond hands. Like, there's nothing that can shake you out. I still remember the Corona dump back in March 2020 when Bitcoin went down like 60% in 3 days. I lost more than 60% of my net worth in 3 days. My net worth back then was already tens of millions. So I lost a few tens of millions in just 3 days. So yeah, I didn't care. Like, I remember one funny moment. I was sitting in the airport. I was going towards Kopangan, And on, I think, was it March 12th or something like this? I don't remember. But when it actually happened, when the price went down to like 3.8K, and I literally had lost 60% of my whole net worth, like tens of millions in just 3 days. I remember how I was sitting there in the airport, and I was like, okay, what's the best tweet I can make now? I was like making tweets. I was like, I felt FOMO. Like I knew that this is opportunity to like get engagement, get some conversations going. So I made a bunch of tweets and I made a video and put in a bunch of trades, and I took so much advantage of that dip. Obviously, I didn't have any fiat to actually buy the dip because I'm already 100% invested in crypto. But yeah, this is off topic. But what I'm saying here is that crypto, it goes up and down, and the same is with these NFTs. And yeah, that's why when you find a new collection, it's very important that you find high value with a famous artist or something like this, because right now any 12-year-old can make an NFT collection. So you need to make sure that it's a blue chip, very high level ones. So that's why I put a few examples down below in the description that you can take a look at. By the way, guys, right now Phoenix has a 4.1 $1,000 sign up bonus if you use my Phoenix link down below. And even more important, if you want to go and sign up to the KASTA waitlist to be the first person to join the KASTA app and get some very special bonus features, go down right now, sign up and be rewarded. But this is definitely it for this video, guys. I think that this video has been much longer than I was intending. I was thinking like a 2-minute video, just tell you about my amazing Bored Ape. And I am going to spend more hundreds of thousands of dollars on these NFTs for sure, because it's fun. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Leave a thumbs up down below. Let's get this video to 200,000 likes if you think that I should spend another $200,000 on another NFT. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.